In this tutorial, I'll show you how to review pull requests using ChatGPT Codex so you can understand code changes more quickly and improve the quality of your projects. Start by signing into your ChatGPT account and opening the Codex workspace. Next, connect your GitHub repository or open the coding environment that contains the pull request you want to review. Open the pull request, then create a new task in Codex. Ask it to review the proposed changes and provide feedback. For example, you could type review this pull request for code quality, readability, potential bugs, and performance issues. Explain any concerns and recommend improvements before it's merged. Or if you're new to programming, you could ask explain what this pull request changes in simple terms, and let me know if there are any mistakes or better ways to write the code. Codex will analyze the modified files, review the implementation, and generate a summary of what changed. It may also identify possible bugs, duplicated code, missing error handling, inconsistent formatting, or opportunities to simplify the implementation. Take time to read both the pull request and Codex's recommendations. If you don't understand a particular section of code, ask follow-up questions. For example, you can ask Codex to explain what a function does, why a change was made, or whether there's a more efficient approach. After reviewing the suggestions, inspect the code yourself and decide whether the recommendations make sense for your project. Remember that Codex provides helpful guidance, but you should always make the final decision before approving a pull request. If changes are needed, request revisions from the author or ask Codex to suggest an improved implementation. Once the pull request meets your project standards and any tests have passed successfully, approve it and merge it into your repository. And that's how to review pull requests using ChatGPT Codex. Let Codex analyze the changes, understand the recommendations, verify them yourself, and confidently approve high-quality code before it's merged into your project.